12 it's my pleasure to welcome you on board this Airbus A320 on the Asiatic crew service to Copenhagen. We are ready to go. As soon as the last pages are going to be loaded, it will be finished within the next 2 to 3 minutes. And I do expect an on-time service this evening. In the meantime, please make yourself comfortable and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Sie sagen den Notausgänge ein. Sie sind entsprechend gekennzeichnet und Leuchtstreifen im Boden zeigen Ihnen den Weg dorthin. Bitte beachten Sie, dass sich der nächstgelegene Notausgang auch hinter Ihnen befinden kann. Bei einer Evakuierung lassen Sie bitte Ihre Gepäckstücke zurück. Please have a look now at the information card at the seat pocket in front of you, which explains the safety instructions. In this card you will also find illustration for safety position. Gentlemen, we are starting our approach towards Copenhagen. Your hand luggage must be stowed safely and does not block an aisle or emergency exit. Laptops must be switched off and stowed in your hand baggage. You may keep lighter devices such as mobile phones or tablets in your hand. We hope you have a pleasant stay here in Copenhagen or a safe journey. In any case, have a wonderful remaining Sunday evening. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen. That you disembark quickly. Kindly remember that you are required to wear a face mask that covers your mouth and nose at all times